Jai Jendra, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve the 45th question of the problem solving series, which is based on stack data structure, and this is the 5th question of the stack data structure. The difficulty level for this question is easy to medium, and this question has been asked in Facebook, Google, Amazon, Microsoft. Though it is easy, but this question has been asked. So let's discuss this. Remove all adjacent duplicates in string. So let's directly go to look at the example. So we are given this string and we need to remove the duplicate characters in the string. So we can see this BB is the duplicate characters. So how it is, so if we remove this BB, then we will have AACA. So again AA would be together and they would be a duplicate. So we need to remove AA. So what will happen? So when we remove this BB, then it would be AACA, and then since AA is together, so we remove AA, so our answer is C. Okay, let's look at the second example. So we have A, that's fine, we have Z, that's fine, we have X, that's fine, but then we again have X, right? So which is wrong, so we need to remove this XX and then we will have Y. So this is the answer. So how do we solve this? So we see whether we have a duplicate characters together or not. Adjacent duplicates, do we have it together or not? So we can see that whenever we are at the string, we compare it with the previous value. So if it is there in this example, so we remove this. But after removing this also, we are again dependent on the value prior to this, which is A. So since this A is same as the fourth character, so again both of this has to be removed. So we are at storing the elements and then we are comparing it. So what kind of data structure do we need to use? Yes, we need to use stack data structure. We'll put all the elements into the stack. For example, this one. So when we get the element, we'll push into the stack, and it's empty, right? So we'll push it, and if it is not empty, we'll compare whether the element at the top is it equal to the element that we are traversing. So it's not. So B will come. So now this B will be equal to top. So BB. So this I'll pop it out. And so this will be popped out. So A and the top is same. So A, this will be popped out. Then C and A, this will be coming to the string stack, and this will be printed out. So that's very simple. So what would be the time complexity? Single traversal. With the single traversal, I can solve it. So it will be order of n. And space complexity, we are taking a stack, so it will be order of n. So let's directly code this. So stack and we are storing character of the string. So stack char st. So int n is equal to s dot size. Okay. So for I equal to 0 to n, what do we do? If stack is empty, st dot empty, we push the element into the stack. Okay. So st dot push si. Okay. Else if st dot top equal to si, then what do we do? We pop it out. St dot pop the element. Okay. Else what do we do? We push the element to the stack. St dot push si. Okay. So in this way we get our stack, right? Now we can see here. So here this is stack, right? So whatever we get, whatever value we get, okay. So if I pop it out, then C and then A. So I need to store it, right? So I need to store it in the string since we are returning string. Okay, so A, B, B, A, C, A. So whenever I am pushing it, so when I pop it out, then it comes as AC actually. Okay, A and C, right? So I have to reverse this string. So what do I do? So while st dot empty, while the stack is not empty, what do? I have a string result, okay, and vi append all the values of the stack into st dot top, right? So in this result we'll have all the value, and then we need to reverse the string, right? So reverse, you know how do we reverse in C++, res dot begin. So this is STL library, you must know this library is res dot end. Okay, and then return res. So this is done. Okay, so in this example you can see here A, B, B, it has out, C, A. We have so we have C, A. So we pop the elements as A and C. So A and C comes here in the result string, but we need to reverse this. So after reverse, it becomes CA, which is our answer, right? I hope the question is, the explanation is clear. The link to the question has been given in the description. Please try it yourself and then come to my code walkthrough section. Here is the code walkthrough of the 45th question. Remove all adjacent duplicate in string in the LeetCode platform. So you can see the example here, same example. And anyway, the link is in the description. So let's discuss the code. You can see the same code that I have discussed as it is, and I'll just submit this directly. So it has been accepted. So I hope the explanation is clear. The time complexity and space complexity are both order of n. And see you also in the next video where I'll be discussing the 46th question of the problem solving series. Jai Jinendra.